Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the power strip with the 4-port USB and then three of the AC outlet with the overload switch control. This one has a surge protection. It comes with the 5 feet extension cord charging station. This is a black color and it is made by LSXD. So this it offers multi protection for your devices, short circuit and overload protection, current control, 750 degrees Celsius fire resistance. It offers energy saving. So let me give you the product specification real quick. The power product specification, the rate power is 125 volt max, 10 amps, 1250 watts. Voltage compatibility is AC 100 to 250 volt. USB output is 4 USB 5 volt, maximum is 2.4 amp per port. Dimension is 3.39 inch by 3.39 inch by 1.18 inch. The cord length is 5 feet. The weight is about 8.23 ounce. It comes with the power strip and one instruction manual. It offers a 12-month worry-free product warranty and 300,000 liability insurance for connected device and property damage if an incident occurs. But the AC outlet is for small appliances only, suitable for device lamps and other small appliances. For example, if you have a high voltage or watts hair dryer, it will not work. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So here is the description real quick. And let me give you the 360 at the box. It says intelligent socket with the overload protection. And this is made in China. And here are the specs real quick. So you could use this worldwide because of the range of the AC voltage, 100 to 250 volt, 50 or 60 hertz. Wow, so it comes with this nice heavy duty 5 feet power cord. Has 3 prongs. There's a ground right here. Come with the instruction manual right here. So this one look kind of like a browns color, like a dark brownish. So here is the power switch right here. It says reset. Here are your 3-port AC outlet with the ground protection. And here are the anti-slip rubber foot pad. So it's 101 millimeter by 28 millimeter thickness. Here are your 4-port USB connectors. So let's go ahead and then move on to the next station so we could plug some of the port for you guys to check it out. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. I will include a link on the description so you guys could check out the product real quick. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace. Alright, here we are at the different stations. So I'm gonna plug this outlet into my 110 volt outlet. I'm going to turn it on right now. I got the Apple iPhone 6 and then my Android phone. I'm plugging this one into the USB port. This is my micro USB charging cable. So as you can see, it is charging right now. And then I'm going to connect this lightning cable to the iPhone. Oh, so is it dead? I also got this charging brick for the MacBook. MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or MacBook, they have a similar charging brick like this. So this is a nice design. Instead of a power strip like that, if you plug in vertically like this, it's gonna cover other ports. So this will eliminate other port getting blocked. So as you see, you can connect another port in here without blocking the other AC outlet. Let me get the other port so you know what I mean. So get out the charging brick. Here I got another charging brick for the MacBook. So you know you could stack them up 1, 2, 3 without any problem. Okay. So hopefully you guys give a thumbs up. I want to give a shout out to Johnson Winston for sending me this product to do a review for you guys. So check out the link in the description and you guys can check them out on this product. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.